Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LPCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious or rub salt in the wounds or anything like that, but very rough day today, but big volume. And looking at today just in and of itself, an interesting scenario here, especially with that final 30 minutes where you can see the volume came back in and then got a nice little green candle here. Now, of course, more work that needs to be done. But like I said, from the trading standpoint, what I'm very curious about now is can the price actually break up through that trend line there? Because essentially that is right where the price ultimately closed at with that final 30 minutes. I mean, you go through the history of the day and you can see this level here was knocking down the price. And then, surprise, surprise, during that final 30 minutes of the surge, that's right where the price once again got rejected. So, and right there, that the value of that trend line, give or take right around 81 cents, but, that's not exact. The point here being that this line here was slowly pressing the price down throughout the course of the day. But with that final 30 minutes, it now becomes a very valid question and a rational thought to have that, maybe there's going to be some sort of breakout that occurs, early in the morning on Tuesday. In the event the price can push through that trend line, the next key overall resistance to keep an eye on would then be the highs from earlier on, which sit right up there at about 90 cents. Then if the price can get above 90, that's where the chart thins out quite a bit because you had the big gap down. So I'm not saying, it's going to shoot straight up there and close the gap. My point is that there is quite a bit of history and open space on the chart because of that nasty gap to the downside that happened today. On the flip side of things, as far as levels of support that really stand out, in the very near term, I'm going to actually make this level of support a little skinnier just because, yeah, it's a level of support, but it's not like it's a do or die level or anything like that. But the preferable level that you would want to see hold going forward now sits right there at 73. If 73 does not hold up and the price breaks to the downside, while there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market, it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price drift down to 62 cents, if not even potentially go lower than that. But yeah, definitely an interesting setup here going into Tuesday with that nice little volume surge the final 30 minutes. So we'll see if the bulls can get some sort of trend line breakout or not. Real quick before you go, I'm not going to give you some fancy sales pitch. All I'll say is that if you found this video helpful, then I'm very confident you'd find great value in my live web class that I've put together. It's totally free, so if you're interested in learning more or getting signed up, you can go to claytrader.com/live or just see the link in the description area. Like I said, it's completely live, so there's a question and answers at the end. It's very interactive. So if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I hope to see you there.